This is a short video showing the burn of a neon test lamp in a microwave oven. This is the neon screwdriver test light, where the neon lamp is taken from. Now the neon lamp is in the microwave oven. A cup of water is added to absorb the microwave. Otherwise, the excess energy will be reflected back to the magnetron, which can cause damage to the oven. Let's start the oven. The neon lamp lights up brightly. But it then seems to burn in flame. The glass of the lamp has broken, and some smoke is seen coming out from the debris. Which part of the neon lamp absorbed microwave energy the most? What's the nature of the flame and the smoke? Let us know what you think in the comment.